We're heading off on a new mission. We've got a new barge, we've got a new F-truck, and I'm pumped to try out all the gear. So many new toys. Yeehaw.
When you're doing a trip like this one, preparation involved is just massive.
And what you don't sort of realise a little bit this time of year too, Cape York's closed, which is good because we like remote, but as long as nothing goes wrong. As long as nothing goes wrong.
Look at you go.
I don't really know what I'm doing. This is all new controls to me. How do we work these sounders? Oh no, sounder. Which finder? Power on. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there we go. First time, and this is like flying a friggin' spaceship.
We're going to do an absolute huge mission in the little boat.
Yeah, it's the shortcut. The main river's just over there.
It's not as easy as I thought it would be. I was hoping we'd have a bit more water.
Bloody shallow here, mate.
Now we've got another obstacle we're going to try and get through.
Oh no.
We're definitely committed now. We're so committed.
Push. Day's done and dusted. Kick back and relax.
Day one.
Successful first day. Bom, bom.
What are you shining at?
Far out. Absolute tragedy happened last night, like big time tragedy.
We'll let you explain that.
There's no doubt. It was a major wow.
Oh, that's the whole trip, mate. We're done. Have to go home.
Mission over, you know, and it's basically my fault.